Master valve fault. A master valve fault alert is created when there's measured flow on the controller that prompts an alert that tries to close the master valve, and in spite of the controller trying to close that master valve, the measured flow continues. In most scenarios, this means one of two things. First, it might mean your master valve is hydraulically malfunctioning. Remember that the controller would detect an electrical fault on the solenoid of the master valve, so it's not an electrical issue. But it could be that the diaphragm is stuck on your master valve, or more commonly, it means that a user has manually overridden the master valve, and either because of a loosened solenoid or an open bleed screw, the master valve has been defeated and can't close even when the controller tries to activate it. A master valve fault is the type of alert that requires personnel be on site and probably with some urgency. Because if there's flow running and the controller was supposed to stop it, and it hasn't, then that can be a very serious issue. So once you're on site, look for the water and make sure that it's running. Sometimes electrical interference with the flow sensor can generate a false pulse that looks like flow on the controller. So the controller will be reading flow even though water's not running. More commonly though, you'll find water running, and then you'll have to troubleshoot the master valve to figure out why it didn't shut when the controller sent the signal to close.